Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and here we are at day 13 of the FTMO challenge. Last video it looked pretty grim, to say the least. Lots of money was lost in this challenge, but I'm happy to say that I'm still in the game. So let's just take a look and see what's going on. Technically, I'm on day 14, but I didn't make a video for the previous day, so I'm just combining the 2 days together, and I will make this video as short as possible. I don't want to keep it for too long. So here's the overall chart, so you can see where I'm at. So this is where I was at yesterday. I was down pretty much, you can see right there. But my most recent trading day, I worked on it and I worked on it some more, and we're up. We're up a little bit again. I got a little bit more cushion so that I can get back up to where I need to be. Just for now, break even for the overall account, and then after that, begin to profit on my trades. So what I've been taking away is that I gotta have like ultimate concentration. There's no Instagram, no Facebook, no social media, no mobile gaming while I'm trading, and that really has made the difference. Like I'm all in. If you think about it, this has to be like a part-time job, because if you're at work, you're all in. You're in it. If you're a good employee. So I'm in it, and that did make the difference. So let's take a look at a couple of things. So here we are. So this right here this means the most that I have lost on this account, the absolute most, and this means this is the most I've lost in one day. So as long as I stay above these two numbers, we're good. If I lose this much before the next 3 days or whatever, then that means that the account is gone. But as long as I keep my concentration level high, and if I stay focused, then I shouldn't have a problem. I won't have a problem. So lately, I have been really liking the US 500, gold, and oil. I think those are going to be my top three. Those are going to be my only three, and here's why. The reason is because the outcome is always right on the dollar amount. There's no confusion involved with that. That's why I like those so much. But anyways, you can see that the last trading day, I actually profited over $1,000. So let's take a look. And it just took one trade. And that one trade was only about 9 minutes. So I made $1,000 in 9 minutes. That's not always the case, but it felt good to do that. So let's take a quick look at what happened. This trade was on, it was on the US 500. So let's take a look at the open. This was the open of my trade. This right here, this line, I make these lines to help me out. This vertical line symbolizes the very open of the London session. This line over here, oops, I'm not inactive. Come on now. But this line over here, this vertical line represents the equity hour. So London open right here. And I decided to take a trade right at the open because this green line and this red line up here, this represents the high and the low of the Asian session. Okay, so in this right here, I see a type 3 M pattern, because you see prices up here, and the type 3 M pattern usually happens at the bottom of the box. So we have an M pattern right there. So I decided to go ahead and get in. Okay, and the result of the trade, we had a banger. Well, not a banger, but it was a good result. A banger is like tons of pips or tons of points. But this was my $1,000 trade right here. So here's the M pattern, the type 3 M, and I stopped myself out. I moved the stop loss whenever I'm above 1,000. I move my stop loss to the profit territory, so I can at least take away something, so that my trade won't be a complete loss. Okay, so I got stopped out after making $1,100. So not a bad day. And actually, the market did continue to go down, but at this point, I didn't want to chance anything. Like I say at the end of my videos, you got to take the money and run. So I took the money and I ran, and nothing wrong with that. You know, profit is profit. So let's get a good look at what my mindset was, what I was thinking during this trade. So it's my open was my type 3M setup, okay, and my exit strategy, like I just said, I moved my stop loss in profit. So pretty decent trade, not bad. So what I typed was, I felt confident about this trade. It happened right at the London Open. The type 3M setup, it's great because they usually go along with the trend. That's why I like type 3Ms or even type 3Ws. Type 3Ws are you usually see in a bullish market. Type 3Ms you'll see at the bearish market. So I do like those. But there's, of course, 3 different types of M's, 3 different types of W setups. And my favorite ones are type 1 M's and type 3 M's. Those are, in my opinion, the most obvious setups that we can get. So, but anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I just got done with this day of trading, and I will continue with these videos. Win or loss, as far as the challenge, I want to keep myself accountable, and I'm just thankful that you are here watching these videos, that you're along with me on this journey. And I'm not a vlogger, but I will keep y'all updated as far as my progress with the FTMO trading. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Jerome with the Bailey Financial Group, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to keep up with my FTMO journey. And leave comments. If you have any questions, leave comments below, and I will get to those as soon as I can. And thank you again very much for watching. Be blessed. Take the money and run.